Thank you, Therese and Natalia. Let's see what's happening with Sophia and the chickens.
Hi, my name's Sophia, and this is my family's chicken coop. I'm holding Marshmallow right now, and she's a white Silkie. And I also have a black Silkie, and Silkies are from China. Every day, the chickens lay eggs in the chicken coop here. You can see there are boxes where they can lay the eggs. And they lay more in the summer because the days are longer and there's more sunlight. And then in the winter, they start laying less. In the summer, the chickens lay about 4 a day, maybe. So we get a lot more than we do in the winter, where we get maybe 1 every other day. So at night, they all go into the chicken coop. And then we have a head hen named Bonnie, and she's always the first one to go in. And then here. You can see over here. At night, they roost on these bars, these 2 bars. Yeah, so we have a water fountain over here, and then we also have a food dish, and those are the compartments, the nesting boxes. So instead of laying on the grounds, they roost on the bars, and they huddle together, so at night during the winter they get warmer. The yellow chicken is Bonnie, and she is the head hen in the pecking order. So at night, she's always the first one to go into the chicken coop. And if someone goes before her, then she makes everyone get out, and they have to go back in again. She's always the first one to eat. And when we throw out food scraps, which they love, one of their favorite is watermelon. They love rice, basically anything that's not meat. So this is Bonnie. Her breed is a Buff Orpington. And yeah, she's basically the head of the coop. And her best friend is Dawn. chickens have different personalities. So Bonnie is the head hen, and then her best friend Dawn is really timid. And then there's the Silkies. The black Silkie always likes getting under people's feet, and she's not shy at all. We have a red star, which is really bold, and she likes to pick on the other chickens. We also have a Frizzle that gets nervous a lot. So during the fall, the chickens molt. This black and white one is already molting. This is a Plymouth Rock. And they molt in the fall so that when winter comes, they'll have new down feathers and they'll be warmer for winter. And then the next fall they molt again. So every year they have new feathers. And I notice sometimes that their new feathers look a lot cleaner, especially if the chicken is white. So during the end of the summer or the fall, it will be brownish white feathers, and then in the winter, it'll be bright white. Chickens take dirt baths so they can get rid of the bugs in their feathers. It seems as if taking a bath in the dirt would make them dirtier, but actually, it cleans them of mites or any other bugs they might have on them, and those bugs go into the dirt. So when they take a dirt bath, they'll dig up